Hello everyone, this is Hanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Asus ZenPad 10 tablet. The Asus ZenPad 10 Z301ML is an expensive tablet that will teach you a lot about what you need to learn about it, as the standard iPads have scarcely improved over the last 3 years, so no tablets like this either. Features: in one area, cheaper tablets such as ZenPad 10Z301ML consistently disappoint screen size. The result is obvious pixelation. Many features are equally low and but less intrusive. Design: Asus ZenPad 10 used a similar design. This tablet is plastic at the front of the computer aside from the window. Even among its entry level peers, it's fairly tactical too, but elsewhere there is nothing quite so dynamic. Model weighs an unremarkable 490 gram. It is unremarkable 8.95 thick and is far more compact and harder to navigate than a traditional 10-inch tablet due to its relatively large glass borders. It is most convenient to use in landscape orientation, ideally with one hand at other edge. Next is display. It has 10.1-inch widescreen. This type of display really underlies the difference between tablets and phones. It does not have a serious issue. However, screen size and pixel density are small, so that articles, web design and text won't appear as good as they do on your desktop. Next is battery. Asus claims that the battery will last for 13 hours at a high brightness. 90 minutes of 720 pixel videos take 20% of the power point, meaning you will be only getting about 7.5 of the price. Asus O state 10 hours of use and 13 hours of video replay. Gaming experience. Because of its low rescreen, the Asus ZenPad 10 is not suitable for movies and games, but it is still a good media tablet with all its faults. The speakers are similarly strong. Thin band above the screen has two drivers for stereo sound. They are very noisy and the result is much greater than a single drivers. And there is no system rhythm. Predictably, the tone is not similar to the 10.5 iPad Pro. All the games we played were working perfectly. You need to use one graphic level below full in games like PUBG and Asphalt 8 to get the smoothest performance, so you don't lose the opportunity to play high-end games only because it's a low-end computer. Tables of specifications. It has a display of 10.10-inch, processor MediaTek MT8735W, RAM 2GB, OS Android 7.0, storage 16 GB, front camera 2 megapixel, rear camera 5 megapixel, battery 4680 mAh. Disadvantages. Although we are happy that we are fresh, cheaper alternatives to the iPad, the ZenPad 10 is just superficially distinct from the one it replaces in 2016. We had hoped for something better. The Wi-Fi is likewise flaky. This is frustrating at the time of testing because the device is not completely new. It is all a RAN. So for certain people there are better options out there. Last but not the least, conclusion. This is all you need to know about Asus ZenPad 10 tablet. Make a device, better choice with better knowledge. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.